Adding bullet holes to your vehicles and terrain is so quick and easy that you can do the entire process, start to finish, in well under 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let's start that timer. So I've already completed 2 bullet holes previously on this War Dog, but I want another couple bullet holes on this left pauldron. I'm going to start by carefully placing my pin vise on the spot where I want the bullet holes, and then slowly drilling into the plastic. I want to do 2 bullet holes, one shallower and one a little deeper, and I'm just going to drill a little bit deeper on the second one to achieve that little bit of variety. To clean up the holes, I'm just blowing out a bit and then using my hobby knife to carefully cut away the excess. We'll also be extending the bullet holes by cutting a star pattern into it. I'm just carefully cutting scrapes and lines going directly towards or away from the center of the hole. And I'm also going to try to expand some of those lines by creating a little triangular second cut starting from the end of the first cut. I had a little bit more success working the blade from a spot beyond the center and moving it towards the center, but working in either direction worked just fine, and the important thing is to have the model at an angle that is comfortable for you so that you can maximize your control. Also, hobby knives are very sharp, so please be careful while you're attempting this. Right now I'm just grabbing my paintbrush and getting it wet before grabbing just a bit of black paint. I'm going to carefully paint the entire inside of the hole and being careful to not get any on the outside. After that, I'm going to give it a tiny bit of time to dry and blow on it like hell to try to eke out a few extra seconds of drying time. Then I'm getting a tiny bit of metallic silver paint on the tip of my brush and just adding a tiny speck of silver to the innermost point of the bullet hole. And we finished up the bullet holes with time to spare. There you have it, bullet holes in under 5 minutes. I hope you have fun adding this super quick weathering effect to your own vehicles and terrain. And if you do, please let me know in the comments below. I've had a lot of fun hearing from other hobbyists on some of my previous videos down in the comments, so let's keep that ball rolling. And on that note, I'm going to get back to working on my next hobby project. Goodbye for now.